name's Charles Massey. I'm the Vice President of Information Technology at CKS Packaging. Just about 5 years now, so I'll be 5 years in March. CKS Packaging produces plastic containers, so everything from dairy bottles to industrial gallons to anything in between in the plastic packaging space. I think for us, it's the fact that you guys have got people on your team that have been with you for a long time. So all the customizations and the different things that we've developed kind of in partnership with ArcherPoint have really driven that relationship. I think really for us, it's the interest in understanding the end result or the end goal of what we're trying to get to. So it's not just developing something and passing it off, but trying to understand the business process involved and really digging into what the need is before just starting down the path to resolution. So we did have a ransomware event in December of 2023. Hit a large portion of the enterprise, including our on-prem version of Business Central. So obviously affected every bit of business that goes through there. So from our sales orders to shipping, AP and AR processes as well. It was a very stressful event, obviously. For our business, we can continue to make plastic bottles, but actually getting paid when we ship those plastic bottles is just as important. So a lot of tracking, getting customer information out of the system when the system wasn't available, and keeping the customers happy was critical to us. So again, back to the relationships that have been built between some of the guys at ArcherPoint internally. They knew what we needed, what was critical to the business. So I would say as soon as we called Quentin, we were on the phone with the right guys within the team, figuring out what we needed to do and the best path forward to get back into the systems. It's an interesting thing. So we had a road plan to do SaaS probably over 12 to 18 months, and then we decided we'd do it in 5 days. So ArcherPoint and Quentin and just getting the right resources on the phone, helping us stand up the SaaS environment, setting up permissions all in kind of a temporary tenant, then helping us migrate it back into the tenant once the ransomware event had been accomplished was a big help. So the cloud base is critical. It's the air-gapped piece of it, right? You want to have some separation between what we call your IT network and those critical business functions. And that's really our lessons learned from that ransomware event was to take everything that we can kind of off-prem, push it into the cloud. Again, back to having the right partner, understanding what's critical to the business. It all comes down to having a feel within that partner so they understand where the important parts. Do we need to get everything back up? Yes. But did you guys kind of instantly know what was the most important pieces to our business to restore first? Yes. So that partner relationship really helped drive that. Back to, I think it's really important for the partner to understand what you do. Right. So there are a lot of partners out there that are just generalists, I guess you could say to a certain extent. But it's very evident with my experience with ArcherPoint that you guys have resources that have been involved in the manufacturing process before. And so I think that's a critical piece is to find partners and create relationships with people that have done what you do. Absolutely. For any time I've ever reached out to anybody at ArcherPoint, whether on the sales side or the support side, whatever it may be, that instant response, right? It's critical in business these days. And I just think ArcherPoint is a great partner to work with around Microsoft technologies. They've come to the table with things that we didn't even think of, which I think is important too, making suggestions based on, again, back to that relationship that they've built with us over the last several years.